Hi, I'm Emery. I love reading books. They take me to new worlds. What about you, Aylin?
Hello, Emre. I'm Aylin. Reading sounds fun. I enjoy cooking. I make cakes, cookies, and sometimes pizza.
Yummy, Aylin. I love pizza. Maybe you can bake one when we meet next time? I can bring a book and we can read together after eating.
That's a great idea, Emre. I'd love to read with you, and I can show you how to make a pizza. It's fun to spread the sauce and sprinkle the cheese.
I can't wait, Aylin. And in the book, there's a wizard and a dragon. They go on adventures and find treasures. It's so exciting.
Oh, Emre, that book sounds amazing. Cooking and reading together will be so much fun. I'm looking forward to our special day.
Me too, Aylin. It will be a day full of tasty food and magical stories.